Hey! Hey!
Get the money first. Open the pizza. 2 cat pizzas.
Put my package back, please.
You gotta get away from my porch, dude.
Please put my. I'm calling the cops right now.
Beverly Hills, California. A homeless man was able to get inside of this residential apartment building and is suspiciously seen lurking around checking for unlocked doors and packages on a tenant's Ring home security system. The tenant alleged the man already broke into another resident's home in the building and appears to be concealing a weapon in his white jacket while wearing mixed-match shoes.
What do you want?
Hello? What do you need? Stop. Camera, get out of my house. Hello? There's a weird man upstairs trying to steal my camera.
Always lock your doors and monitor your security systems daily. Atlanta, Georgia. A creepy male is seen looking under this homeowner's doormat, searching for perhaps a key, and then is seen attempting to break in by checking if the door is unlocked. When the homeowner acknowledges him, he acts as if he's looking for his lost dog.
Yes, what do you need?
Hi, I was walking by and I was wondering if you saw a lost dog.
I don't believe him. He's up to something.
No, I haven't. No one has left the house, so we've been inside. Haven't seen a dog.
No, she's like.
Nope, I haven't seen a dog. What kind of dog you looking for?
She's like a Labradoodle mixed with like a German Shepherd.
Nope, I think some people might have called the city control, so they might have picked it up. So you might want to look around the street some more. I know my neighbors have been calling either the police or they've been calling for animal protection services. So they might have picked it up. We haven't seen a thing, all right?
Thank you.
All right.
Kick rocks. Washington, D.C. A woman called the police after being woken up from hearing gunshot noises. Unfortunately, one bullet passed through her bedroom window where her cat was at and may have hit her unlucky pet.
You can kind of see it from here.
Right, you can, yeah.
And then, yeah, nothing shiny, nothing, because, right at an angle, bam, pop, right in there, it's there, but...
We pray the little kitty is okay.
Cat's right there.
Where my cat at?
Oh, he's, right there.
He was in the window. Maybe the bullet might have hit him. I don't know.
El Paso, Texas. A man is seen walking down the street with an assault rifle in broad daylight like he's playing Call of Duty or something. I know it's Texas and it's legal, but he needs to sit his ass down somewhere, respectfully. Lexington, Kentucky. A man carrying a stuffed hiking backpack is seen on security camera, wiggling a woman's front doorknob, then rummaging through her things on the porch like he's at a public park or something. Not only was he trespassing, he was also attempting to break and enter. Luckily, the homeowner saw him ransacking her spot and virtually confronted him.
Can I help you?
Hey, sorry.
Yeah, that's not public property, sorry.
Pensacola, Florida.
Jumbo. Oh, she got a rain thing. I thought you would push that. I ain't gonna ding dong. Oh, yeah, don't.
Durham, South Carolina. Not sure what this young man's issue is. Is he drunk? On drugs? Is he autistic? Suffering from mental trauma? It's too late in the evening for all this noise. And what's with his t-shirt? He doesn't get my vote carrying on like this.
No. No, B. No, B. No, B. No, now, yo.
I hope he gets himself some help. Here's another one suffering from what appears to be mental issues. The resident said she has been at her home several times at odd hours, talking to no one. This time, she sprayed the door sill and was carrying a large stick. Mental illness is real, people. And you never know what someone may be willing to do or dealing with or capable of, especially when they're at your front door.
Is Joy there? Joy. I just heard somebody like they were loading a gun. Janae?
Syracuse, New York. A Domino's pizza guy is seen being robbed at this resident's house when they weren't there, and they said they didn't make a pizza order either.
I gotta get the money first.
I know. Let me see. I'm not doing that.
I gotta get the money first.
Open the pizza.
2 cat pizzas.
Either he had the wrong address, or it was a setup from begin with. This footage was sent to the manager and the police. If anyone knows who these kids are, please alert the authorities and the Domino's.
I'm not doing that.
I gotta get the money first.
Open the pizza.
2 cat pizzas.
They also stole the poor man's cell phone as well. Baton Rouge, Louisiana. An eccentric-looking fella is seen casing this woman's home. If you in the area, be on the lookout for this guy. He was trying to possibly break into this poor lady's home.
Hello.
Oh, you don't want
Hey.
this house? Hey, how you doing?
Hi.
I was interested in maybe buying this house.
Okay. You can call the phone number
You
that's
know
on.
Okay, you don't mind if I look around and just see how it look?
Yeah, you can look around the outside. That's fine.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. I'll be calling you in the future if it's still available. You have a blessed day.
Okay. Thank you. You too.
He proceeded to go to the side of the woman's house with his backpack and go through her trash. He also could be seen trying to turn the doorknob and check for keys. Fort Washington, Maryland. A tweaker is seen trying to break into this woman's home and hastily walks off when confronted.
What do you want?
I'm putting something on your door.
Montgomery, Alabama. A creepy man is seen ringing this woman's home in the middle of the night. He may be a genuinely nice guy and harmless in need of help. But hey, it's late. Sad nowadays things have to be this way.
Look, I don't mean no harm.
Police for you.
No. You ain't know that. I just trying to use the phone keys and call my ride to come pick me up. Ma'am?
But hey, this woman did the right thing. It's better to be safe than sorry. Can you blame her?
These brothers trying to call my ride. No police and no brothers trying to call my ride. My phone dead, man. My phone is dead, man. My phone is dead. I'm just trying to call my key. You call the numbers and tell my ride to come get me.
Washington, D.C. Two men are seen attempting to break into this resident home by tearing the door down. It appears they have been using a fire extinguisher, a screwdriver, and their own combat boots in their attempts. One of the men claims he lives there, yet he doesn't have a key, nor does he decide to seek management for a spare. Something isn't right here. Now the entire complex's peace is being disturbed because these two are feuding with the man inside the apartment. Hopefully they all were able to work things out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, have a good one.
Sorry, put my package back, please.
You gotta get away from my porch, dude.
Please put my